Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Are we live? We are live, chat. Let's go, chat. Hey, we are live. Good morning, chat. Good morning. Good morning. Michael, Jack Wiley, Maddie, good morning. Dean Bishop, RXHX, Moho, Tech 111, Black Coffee Trader in the building. Sean, Jake Dell, Chicken, Mr. Twin, good morning. Benson, Wainwright, Daily Day Trade, Razier, good morning. Micro Player, K Trader K. Well, chat. We'll need to do another giveaway today. I did trade off stream. But I had a good reason. If that matters. This is mainly for Nutty and Designer. I have noticed with the new Apex accounts that once you get over the 500-ish profit for the day, if you keep trading, it is like a target. It is like a target is put on you. I feel that, Dan. Danoception, I feel that. Mega Musketeer, good morning. Wow, look at this. I mean, what a crazy market. Actually insane. All right, market. I don't know what to expect here at the open. Mega Mr. Chrysler, good morning. Micro Player, first payout goes to the chat. I need that payout. I have had the exact same scenario you had yesterday play out on me over and over and over again after going over 500. It is something about it. I don't know what it is, but we're back to square one, chat, on these 50K Apex accounts. We're back to square one. Man, I know I might a normal person might now be okay with just calling it a day on these Apex accounts. But the key word there is a normal person. I'm not normal. So I feel like we got to kind of push. We got to push him. We got to push, boys. Have you heard of the trading pit? Have not. Clarity Trades. Yes, good morning. Stupid Simple Trading, good morning. John, good morning. John Seacham, good morning. Lucio, good morning. If I'm going to push to pass, I might. I mean, I'm going to try to be at least somewhat smart on it, but I feel like I'm going to be disappointed if I blow these today. I'll be disappointed, but I guess some days you got to push. You got to push. Look at this crazy market. Obviously, last night, world peace was achieved last night. No more wars. Everybody's just going to be sitting around singing Kumbaya and tickling each other's toes. It's going to be great. There are no more wars. It's nothing to worry about, chat. Everything is great. So we ripped up 1,000 points. No problemo. No problemo. World peace. That's right. You heard it here first. That's, I mean, it's not like we only got 2 weeks of somewhat, negotiated peace, but 2 weeks peace. I don't know what this market would do if we actually have a peace agreement. Oh, I tell you what, this crazy. It's crazy. You had 13.8. Oh, don't worry, King. Those are rookie numbers. We are going to be singing that song you play when we need the market to go up. Ooh, John, yes. It's now Taco Wednesday. Peace in the Middle East and cancer was cured overnight. Yes, Brian. Brian, that's right. Cancer was cured. Alzheimer's was cured. Dementia was cured. And we have world peace. And it's wonderful time out here, chat. We are living in unprecedented times. Man, I'm debating if I want to try something stupid here at the open. Do we want to try something stupid? I mean, the problem with I expect the New York market to be pretty terrible. When can my losing streak be cured? Honestly, I have no idea. I'll let you know when I figure out my own problems. I can pass them today. I do have that same feeling. I feel like if I can be a little bit aggressive at the right times, of course I could pass these, but we also know I could also blow these and we could have another chain event of absolute destruction. It's funny traders forget the reason it's selling. Mr. Wall Street. Yeah, I see the crazy thing is like the only thing that really changed is we have 2 weeks where supposedly there's going to be peace for 2 weeks. It's crazy, man. The Iranian government converted to Amish. This is your day. Every time I trade overnight, I lose. I don't. It goes up 100 points. Yeah, I know. Uh, when gosh, yesterday was appropriate. It was Taco Tuesday. All right, market. A little bit of a pullback here. I mean, here's what I'm thinking. I I don't know. It just doesn't seem right that we are up this much. Okay, yesterday the market closed yesterday at the 24 400s. We are literally up 800 points. Am I crazy to think that might be enough for today? 800 points in one day. Maybe I'm just crazy, but that feels like enough. That feels like a good move, and the question remains, is it like are we actually just going to keep going higher, like for real? You think we fill the gap? Well, I'm not sure I'd go that far. Oh, we're not sure. I'm not. Iran was about to be Amish last night at 8 o'clock. They called Uncle back above the 50-day, so the bottom might be in. Who knows? Yeah, I mean, I feel like we definitely could have. This could be the start of new all-time highs. I feel like that's definitely possible. But the question remains, are we going to go straight up to the moon, or are we just going to, I don't know. I honestly, I'm not sure. I feel this thing could honestly just keep going. We're above the 100 EMA. Are we above the 200 EMA? Of course. And we are above the 50. Man, that looks so bullish. And we are continuing lower down through the 200s. The more this pulls back, the more that I just want to go long right at the open. Ah, I might. Both tilty and resilient by nature. Sagittarius. Oh, I don't know. I don't know, Trader Debs. Yesterday there was a candle after his tweet. It was 250-point candle. I know. I saw. I wasn't live. I didn't see it, but obviously I can see it on the chart. Yeah, it's just crazy. Use SMAs above the 21. Yeah, either way. It's not like that huge of a difference. All right, market. I don't know what a man I want to. Do I want to be aggressive here at the open? Oh, pardon me. I just want to do it. We rip off the band-aid, or we. The difference will be pretty big. I see. Now I'm kind of curious. So the 100 SMA versus EMA. Yeah, that is a pretty deep. That's a pretty big difference. Huh. Interesting. All right, market. I mean, this looks like it wants. I don't really like if we pump up into the open. I probably don't take any trade. I've been debating. So if we do this, or this, risk it for the biscuit. Here's what I'm thinking. I'd almost rather just take a big trade at the open and rip off the band-aid. I'd rather do that than trade during the New York session and die by 1,000 cuts. Look at that. Now we're just going to rip right before the open. Now I really don't want to take this. Well, shoot. I was hoping we would pull back maybe into like the 140s. We got 5 minutes for at till the open. I mean, there is a chance that this thing just goes directly to the moon right off the open. But I just, imagine Frozen North. Imagine we fill the gap 800 points lower in the New York session. Oh, that would be some kind of poetry. Oh, that would be crazy. I mean, anything's possible in this stupid market, but obviously I'm going to look for buys. I can't short this. I can't short it. I can't do it. I'm going to be looking at the 140s, the 120s, basically this area right here. Maybe I should make a drawing. Like right here is kind of what I want to. I'm interested in this area right here for longs. If we just rip straight back, I mean, I really don't know what to do if we just go straight up. This is if we go straight up is where there might be some serious problems. Because if we just go straight higher and we don't even start getting any pullbacks, like I don't know what we're gonna do. Hey, good morning, John. The scoreboard is looking good right now, but we're not over. It's not. Oh, by the way, I did lock out of my take profit accounts. So the take profit accounts have been marked as safe. The take profit accounts are officially protected from a tilt session. Everything else is fair game. I'm just going to start I've decided to go about my day in a different way. I am just going to enter every day while I'm passing evals. I'm going to enter every day with the expectation that I'm going to go on tilt. Okay? I'm just going to accept it up front. That way, when it happens, I'm not surprised. You guys are not surprised. It's just normal business. So from here on out, just expect the tilt session. And then when it doesn't happen, it's like a pleasant surprise. Okay? Just expect blown accounts. Expect everything to be red. And then if by some miracle it doesn't happen, it's just a very pleasant surprise. That's my new method. Oh, wow. Look at this pullback. Oh, wow. Man, this thing is going to be violent, chat. Are you ready? Oh, we forgot the clock. Okay, hang on. Market is open. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my snap Arooskies. She ripping. Oh, I hate you, market. I actually hate you. I hate you. Oh, my goodness. What is going on? What a fake out. Whoo, do I do it? This thing looks like, I feel like this thing might revisit the 120 area. This is looking, that looked like, that was a little bit of a fake out. That was a fake move higher. All right, let's be paying attention here. All right, it's almost time. This thing really dumping hard. Dumping hard. All right. We're getting into the buy area where I'm interested. Ribbit! All right, we're going to take that. That was a quick, very, very quick scalp. I kind of want to see now what happens at the 120s. Wow, getting a pretty decent bounce here. Do you know there's like a 30-second lag because you're in Ohio? Oh, is the lag way worse here in Ohio? Hey, let's go, Trade Ranger. Good morning, Jim JB. Okay, we are continuing lower. Interesting. Man, this thing looks like it wants to bounce. Yeah, this is gonna rip now. Is it? Oh, 9-second lag, so that's not too bad. Hey, perfect play. Good morning. Trader Running Money. Good morning, Jim. Good morning, Jim JB. Trader Kevin B. Dipacomni, good morning. Costy1, good morning. Dan, good morning, John. When you flip TBT evals, is there a minimum you need? TCM trades, no. No, you do not need any kind of minimum when you flip evals for TPT. I don't know what to do here. I mean, it's kind of tempting to look for a short right back down and test the 120s, but man, I do think we go lower. Oh, do I want to take the trade though? Risk getting my face ripped off. That's the problem. I kind of want to get a retest of the 180s. If we get a retest of the 180s, I think I might take a stab at a short. Oh, that was a terrible fill. All right, I'm just going to scalp this. I'll take it. We're just going to scalpy. Man, it's tempting to jump in short here again. Probably should have held. You said to remind you not to be greedy and stop for the day. Yeah, I know I did, but that was yesterday. I changed my mind. Hey, Golf Guy Mike, happy Masters Eve. That's right. Can't wait for tomorrow. Cannot wait. I cannot wait, man. Man, this thing looks bearish. But these are the areas where I just need to stay out of it. Man, that 180 short would have been so nice. Oh, look out, chat. That was a little bit of a sweep. Oof. Are we going to sweep and rip? I might. Man, that looks like a sweep. Ah, this is scary. All right. We're going to scalp it more. I'm just going to keep buying in this buy zone 140 to 120 and see what happens. As long as this holds. It's scary though. I'm impressed, right? I'm impressed how good the trade copier is working. I gotta say, since I've been using the sim account as my lead account, I feel like my fills and everything have been way better. As far as like all my accounts are like close to the same dollar amount, I really like it. All right, 120 is about to get tested. This is where you gotta be very careful. we could just see this thing absolutely drop like a rock. Do we take one more at the 120s here? And we got to take the L here, maybe. Ribbit! Ah. I'm taking the L. I'm taking the L there. I don't like it. It's trying to hold up here, but and look, we might bounce. We might recover this. I don't know. Yeah, nope. There she goes. 105s, 25 100s. She dipping. Next area like is really the 25,000s. Maybe the 25080s will get a bounce right at the VWAP. I might try that. I might try to just take a stab at it, but I mean, you gotta think. I'm thinking this thing is gonna see a rip higher at some point, but I just gotta be so careful. Yeah, there's the big rip higher. Hey, good morning, Bella. How we doing? Scott, what copier is it? It's Replicanto. Maybe a pullback to the 750s. Yep. You're doing the same thing, but shorting. Hey, nicely done, TCM trades. It's probably, I don't know. I got PTSD from shorting. Wow, right back down, testing the 90s now. Interesting. Day 17, no accounts to trade. My bank is about to call me asking if I'm okay. Hey, nicely done, Matty Matt. I like to see it. Love it. Has its own copier, except you can't use ATMs. Yeah, Bobby. Yeah. Good morning, Bobby. Jay Trader, good morning. Does Replicanto work for the Trade platform? No. You have to use Ninja Trader. You have to use the Ninja Trader platform. A touchdown. Good morning. Ace undercover. Good morning. This is Ninja Trader. All right. Man, this is tempting me to try along here. I missed it. I missed it. Man, this thing gonna dump or not? All right, I'm gonna take it. Come on, don't. Oh, I didn't get it out. I wasn't quick enough. I was too slow. Too slow. All right, I'm gonna wait for the 80s. We'll see what happens here at the VWAP. Man, I'm so tempted to try longs here. It feels like this thing wants to bounce. We're getting some pretty good buying here, right here at the 25 100s. Yeah, it's gonna bounce. This is gonna rip. This is gonna rip now. Watch. It's too slow. I was too slow. There we go. Back above the 30s. And above the 40s. Oh, man, I wish. It's unfortunate. All I had to do was just... there it is. Back up to the 160s. Now, are we going to keep going? Oh! Whoa, what a dump. Man, this thing is wild, chat. Whew. When did I get my Apex trades? It was late, or it was actually like 3 o'clock this morning. I came down in my boxers at 3 o'clock in the morning. I couldn't sleep. Came down, looked at the markets like, oh my goodness, that's such a good setup. And I just had to take it. I had to take it. Took the trade, put in my loss, stop loss, and it hit my target when I went back to bed. Sometimes those are the best trades. If we can't get above the 162, we'll probably go back down some. Wouldn't be surprised. But right now, this thing's very whippy. This thing is looking very, very violent. The fact that we did not go lower makes me want to buy. Man, do I just buy this breakout above 160? Oh, it's so dangerous. But man, I feel like if we break above this 160, I mean, I feel like that's, ugh. These are the, trades that scare me, though. Okay, maybe we go lower. I don't know. Just don't want to chase. I'm having flashbacks of these V-shaped reversal moves back up higher. And I don't trust these shorts. All right, we are going lower. I'm canceling this. Wow. Okay. Market is not done yet. Here we go, retesting the lows of the New York session. 25,090s. Here we go, testing VWAP. About to test the VWAP. Now I don't trust this. I do not trust this one bit. This 80 level was... Wow. It does start to look like this, AG. I agree. It's... Those new personal rules lasted a while. Okay, the reason I didn't stream was I didn't want to stream with my boxers. You know, I didn't want to stream with my boxers on. I was so sleepy. Like, I didn't want to talk. I just wasn't in the mood to stream, so it is what it is. It is what it is. We'll be fine. It was the perfect setup to pass. Why aren't we trading the Apex accounts? All right, getting that 80 bounce. That's 15 points, 20 points. I guess I should have trusted that 80 VWAP bounce. Should have trusted it. Oh, man, this makes me want to look for shorts, though. Like, the fact that we failed to get back above the 170s, and we made new lows. Do we have to look for shorts? Man, there's one thing that's going to trigger me today. There is one thing that will trigger me, and that is if I go short and this market rips 100 points higher, we are going to have issues. Trust me. But hey, we're expecting a tilt session, so it's nothing to be too concerned about. All right, right back down, testing the 80s here. Like, if we go back up to the 120 area, I might look for a short. I might do it. I say that very timidly. That would be a hell of a day if it gives back everything. There's no way, Win. There is no way that we fill the gap. Like, just, there ain't no way. Right? There is no way. What trading platform? This is Ninja Trader. You can download it on their website, ninjatrader.com. All right. Man, this thing's going to dump, isn't it? It is going to dump. Retesting the VWAP here. All right, now the next area we've got is the 25,000. I mean, that's got to be the next level we look at. Do we? Right now I'm conflicted. I'm so conflicted right now. I feel like this 80 level and the VWAP right here, it's kind of would be, it would make sense to take it, to try along here. To just try it. All right, I'm trying it, chat. We'll regret it later. Rip it. Come on, go. Go. All right, we'll take that. I'm just scalping right now. Market scares me too much to be looking for any big moves. Man, we are having a difficult time getting above the 100s. Hey, SMJ, don't say that yet. Let's not count our chickens before they're hatching, okay? Before we are not going to celebrate anything until either the end of the day or we pass the accounts. So we got a long shot to go yet. We all know we're just a couple trades away from some real degenerate stuff coming on. Hey, Disciplined Futures Trader, you're welcome. Let's go. Good luck on the account. Good luck on the account. All right, 10 o'clock. I guess, yeah, 10 o'clock coming up. Is there any news? I don't think there's any news. Wednesday. We do not. I guess we have FOMC meeting minutes today at 2, but nothing major. I guess we do have crude oil inventories at 10:30. So 10:30 crude oil inventories might move the market. Or that, I mean, I know it's going to move the oil, but it might actually move the NASDAQ. Something to be aware of, chat. Hey, good morning, Niles. Good to see you. The calls I bought yesterday for $1.16, I sold at open for $8.62. Let's go, Jack. Oh, man, you make me want to trade options again. Oh, I used to trade options, and then I stopped. Whoa, temporary margins have been restored. Interesting. Huh. Man, this market's got me thinking all kinds of bad thoughts. Man, I want to try this long again, but it's definitely trying. The market is putting up a battle here, but All right, there's the top of the hour, 10 o'clock. You know what? Let's just pause. Let's just be patient. It's probably going to rip higher now, but come on. I'm if we get back up to the 120s, I might look for a short depending how we get there. But man, right now every time we get close to the 100s, it just immediately sells off. Very choppy right here. Man, Trump is still saying random stuff. Yeah, Miss Trader. I don't think that's going to change. I don't think that's going to change. I heard you comment yesterday regarding the last fall checklist being retired. I know what you mean, not enough trade. Yep, that one. Yeah. Yeah, I know SML. I know, but okay, again, if these were funded accounts, completely different story. And I would 100% be done for the day. Kind of goes to show how, but I mean, I sound like a broken record because I've said that the last 3 days. If I would have just taken my profits from Monday, Tuesday, and now today, I think I would be like $300 away from passing these accounts. Actually, because I would have been up 700 and 500, 1200. Yeah, actually, we would have passed them. We would. I think we would have passed them. I don't even want to think about that. I don't want to think about it. All right. What's all the green? It must be Masters Week. Yeah, that's right. It is Masters Week. You are not wrong. All right, market. We got to do something here. It's been 12 minutes of barcoding. Man, if this breaks to the downside, I might do a breakout trade here. Oh. I feel like if we get back down below the 70s, we are going to rip this thing lower. Oh, this is dangerous. Uh-oh. Somebody hold my hand, chat. I'm scared. Do not wick me in. Just dump. Like, give me a 100-point dumper candle. Do it. I don't know about this. This thing is still barcoding. Wow. This thing is crazy. Are we going to break? Looks like we're breaking to the upside. If we get up through the 100s, it would also be tempting. Do a bracket breakout trade above the 100s and below the 70s. QI35 and saw a 20-yard jump on my average driving. Oh, you should. Have you tried the QI4D? Man, I love that driver. How much is your mentor? Man, what are we doing here? Are we gonna break up to the upside here? All right, I need to use the restroom like really, really bad right now. Oh no. Oh, snap. Oh no. Chat, oh, that's not, that makes me nervous. Dump it! That's it. Go, baby. Okay, now I need to use the restroom. I'll be right back. Oh, okay, chat, we're back. That was a close call. I don't want to go into too much detail, but we were pushing our luck on that one. And man, I am glad. I'm glad what is going on with this market right now? My goodness. Just trade the range. It's too easy. Robert Digital, good morning. All right. I feel like, I mean, the fact that we cannot get above the 100s, is concerning if you're a bull. But these wicks are a problem. These wicks are not good if you're a bear. So something's got to give. Something has got to give here. I do kind of like the longs. I prefer the longs over the shorts right now. I'm gonna see if we can get a breakout. If we get a breakout right here, above the 90s, I think I'm gonna try it. I want to see this thing really rip up through the 100s though. And hopefully it's not a fake out. Man, I don't know about this. Nutty like a Snickers bar. It's so satisfying. All right, moment of truth here. We're either going to go or we're not. I feel like if we do get above that 90 level and break it as many times as we've had wicks, I feel like this thing is going to go. At least I'm willing to take that risk. Willing to take the risk. It's going to be one of those butt clenching trades though. If we start having any kind of hesitation on that break, I'm getting out of the trade. So I am not going to hold it. We either pop and rip immediately up to the 110, 120 area, or I'm killing it. Here we go. How did that not hit me? I'm glad it didn't. Man, that makes me nervous. Oh, this. Here we go. Man, this is unbelievable. The rest of today's session, chat, we're just going to trade a 20-point range. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's fine. Here we go. Oh, my goodness. Is he going to do it? Oh, please do not be like this. I actually hate that. Oh, dude. We are cooked. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. That was the risk of the trade, and we just got cooked. It's all good though. Nobody got hurt. Just a small little flesh wound. I mean, what is this market? I mean, that was such a dirty fill. That was so dirty. Absolutely. I mean, that was so dirty. I don't even want to talk about it. I mean, I think it literally wicked me in to the tick. Unbelievable. But hey, we took our loss. We took our loss right away. We didn't hold on to it, so I'm not upset. I'm just disappointed. It's like my parents would tell me when I do something wrong. I'm not mad at you. I'm just disappointed. Oh. All right, market. We got to be doing something here. This thing is untradeable. I mean, I could have looked honestly, but right now this thing is just absolutely this is crazy. This is a frustrating area to trade. Just trade the range. It's too easy. Like, how do you trade it? You don't trade this. That's the thing. We are just getting absolutely whipsawed here. Man, I can't believe we got done so dirty. We got filled in the tick. That's what happened. Did you see Top Step got rid of minis on live accounts for now? Yeah, I saw that, Matty Matt. That's wild. Only thing that tells me, Matty Matt, is they don't have the margin requirements to because all the futures they increase their margins. I don't know. Some tells me they can't meet their margin requirements for the amount of people that were trading. That's what that meant. All right. Right back up to where we got filled in the tick. We literally got filled at the 93s. And the high of that candle, 93. Can't make this up, chat. Who else is doing it like this? Who else? Where else can you go and get shot in the tick for free? I bet you can't. Ah, all right, we're back. We're back. Man, we should have expected this after the market moved 800 points. We cannot get out of a 20-point range. Yeah, this is terrible. What are the odds we retrace the entire move? I mean, there's no way, right? What do we do, chat? I mean, right now I feel like you almost need to be looking for shorts, but starting to get impatient here. I'm tempted just to buy the bottom of this range right here. Just buy the bottom of the range and trade the range. How hard can it be? You know, if I do it, it's going to rip to the lows or it's going to dump. All right, I'm dumb enough to try it. I'll try anything once. I'm scared. just, just trade the range. It's too easy. Look at my water bottle. That's right, chat. Super dad right here. Self-proclaimed. I mean, it is going lower, I guess, slowly. Right now, I guess, I'm honestly, maybe the play here, we just short this 1 minute 21 EMA. Every time we touch it, we go short. Ooh, look at this dump. Okay, now we're breaking out, I think. I think she's dipping. Do we take a stab here and get slaughtered? There's the dump. I mean, this thing could easily just rip straight back up, though. Unbelievable. Oh, you gotta love it. You gotta love this market, man. This market's, it's so, oh, it's just so nice. New York sessions, chat. Oh, my goodness. Do we short? I feel like we should, but I don't have the nerve. Man, this market is very indecisive. This market is acting like is this market is got a woman mindset right now. This market is acting like a woman. Can't make up its mind. It's like, hey, which direction do you want to go? Let's go up. Never mind. Let's go low. Actually, you know what? Let's go low. No, let's go higher. The market is resting. We don't got time for that. Shots fired. You know why I said that? You know why I can say that? It's because the wife isn't home. Okay? So there's a very small chance that my wife is watching and listening, so I feel pretty safe saying that. And it's also because it's true. I mean, you guys know it's true. Oil tankers passing through Hormuz have been stopped after Israel's ceasefire breach. Iran Far News Agency. Oh, you gotta love it. You know, we're just a couple tweets away from being right back where we were yesterday, right? You gotta love this. The whole news is crazy. Man, I can't believe this thing is just this stagnant. We are going lower, though. It's not pretty, but we are going lower. I mean, the 25,020 level is, I'm definitely interested in the 20 level here and the 25,000s. I think right now the biggest thing is I can't trade the breakouts. Don't trade for a move higher and don't trade for a move lower at the bottom of these range. If I want to go long, I almost want to do it at the bottom of the range. If I want to go short, short from the top of the range. Just allows you to hold through the noise a little bit better. Right now, if you're trading breakouts, you're getting destroyed. Uh oh, nice RX. How hard can it be? It is still down over 120. Yeah. Oh, see, this makes me want to go long. Oh my goodness. Somebody stop me. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I might regret this. Ugh. Please, market, don't make me regret this. Ribbit! Give me that break. Go! All right, we can't be greedy. I'm just gonna take that. We cannot be greedy when we're going against the trend. We gotta take it. Can we get something going here? I feel like this is gonna go now. Oh, never mind. Oh, this market is something. Man, this is so difficult to trade. All right. Ah, man. This is crazy. I mean, I guess I should. I'm not too shocked that this price action's this bad, but I'm still kind of shocked. Do we just take a short? Right? Just keep shorting at this EMA? Unreal. Hey, good morning, M. Susan. Right on the tick. Good morning. Hey, nicely done, TCM Trades. Good luck. Iranian sources report the Strait of Hormuz has once again been closed to oil tankers following the Israeli attacks on Lebanon. Oh my. It just never ends. I mean, I'm surprised that we're not going lower. I'm surprised this isn't making the market go quite a bit lower than what we're seeing. Huh. Oh man, I'm. Oh my goodness, really? I can't take that. Starting to trade out of boredom. What? Like, geez, is this actually the best we're gonna get? Is this the best we're gonna get today? This is crazy. Come on, market. Come down here and sweep the 20s. I want to see the 20s being swept, and then let's see what happens. Come on. Come on. Oh, my. Oh, this is annoying. I'm taking this. Are you serious? What was that? This is making me nervous. I want to see what happens at the 20 sweep, but man. Ugh. Oh, no. No, chat. No. I'm panicking. Son of. Why am I doing this? Why? Why am I doing this? No shot. I'm so upset. You know what, chat? This is what 25,000s or die. 25,000s or we bust. Ah, gotta be kidding me. Ribbit! Come on! Ribbit! No, do not do the hope and nope. Please. Please don't do the hope and nope. Ribbit! Ribbit! Go! Go! Oh, come on. Keep going. Please just keep going one time. One time. One time. I'm not being greedy. I'm asking kindly. Please keep going. Just go. Give me that rip off the 120 sweep. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. I want to see the 80s, the 60s. Go! Come on, market. I believe. I believe you can do it. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Go. Oh, come on, please. Oh. I'm being greedy. I'm being greedy. Go! One more push. Come on. Okay, I give up. I give up. I give up. Oh, this is terrible trading, but we win. That time we win. Buckle up your seatbelts, chat. We're either going to pass these accounts or we're going to blow them. I have officially decided my fate. We are either going to blow these accounts or we're going to pass them. It's going to happen today. I have officially declared war on these Apex accounts. May the best man win. May the best man win. So here's the ground rules. Okay? Here are the ground rules. It actually is in my favor. We have currently a we have $3,000 of drawdown. Okay? We've got $3,000 drawdown. We need to make $2,000. How hard can it be? That's all we need. I'm not asking for the world. I need to make $2,000 versus $3,000. So, I mean, how hard can it be? For real. I'm thinking, look at this. Look at me, chat. Look at me. I'm going to show you something. Hang on, hang on. So I think I can trade 6 months. Oh my goodness, chat. Chat, thank the good Lord that we took our profit, because I would have lost my mind right now if I didn't. All right, so we can trade 6 minis. All right? Now listen to me. Look at this. Look at this. So we just need, this is the big, we only need a move like this, and we can have a stop loss like this. Like, look at this, chat. If we trade 6 minis, I mean, that is not that hard. I feel like that's so doable. I feel like that's doable, chat. I mean, we could have done it on this move right here. We could have gone short, and we could have, if we would have gone short off the touch of this EMA, we would have passed these accounts by now. Oh. Oh, I'm so, how do I do it? How, or, oh my goodness, this thing is actually going to continue lower. We are going lower, chat, down below the 25,000s now. I am tempted. I am tempted. At the 24,980s. Do we take it? 980s. Do we go all in? Oh, no, I can't do it. I can't. I can't do it, chat. I'm sorry. I just don't, I don't have what it takes. I'm too nervous. I don't know why I'm fighting this trend. It's a very much reoccurring theme. I just don't I'm too scared of going short. I've gotten killed so many times going short. Wait, Kuwait, fires broke out in some of these sites. What sites? What are we talking about, Kuwait? These attacks targeted several sites, including power stations, resulting in several material damage to infrastructure facilities. Who's attacking? Wait, Lebanon is not part of the ceasefire agreement with Iran? Jeez, what is going on with this? What kind of world are we living in, chat? Ocala would have bought the 80s. Where? There what you mean right here? What do you mean? Which 80s? Right here? I mean, yeah, the 80s right here maybe, but oh, this looks so bearish. Oh, here we go. Here are the 80s. Oh, am I going to do it? I'm in, chat. Somebody hold my hand, please. Oh, no. Please don't be difficult, market. Market, I'm begging. Please just go higher. We bought the 80s. I'm not going to be crazy, though. I am not going to hold this. I'm not going to bag hold this. Ribbit! You idiot! Uh-oh. Oh, my... Chat, Chat, so... I've got paralyzed. I'm paralyzed. Are you serious right now? Oh my gosh, I'm no, market, no, please, no. No! Oh my god. No way. I need to get out of this trade, please. Not like this. Not like this, chat. I can't. I'm so upset right now. Get me out of this trade, please. Please! Just get me out of this, please. Oh, I can't do it. Why am I fighting this stupid trend? One big rip higher, please. Rip it! Go! Okay, I'm getting it. I'm at least trying to get out. Let me get out. Rip it higher. Go! Go! Oh, 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 oh! Go. Oh my gosh. I can't do this, chat. Oh. That was the dumbest $100 I've made in my life. It's okay, chat. We're good. We are good. No problems detected. Everything is fine. I should have held. I should have just kept adding. I would have been past by now. Oh, come on, chat. I should have added. Oh, my goodness. No shot. Oh, oh. Oh. It's all good. No problems. We only need $2,000 more dollars. Oh, I feel great. This is what I needed. I should have held. I should have DCA'd into oblivion. Oh. No, I should. I should not have done that. But, oh, look at that thing go. Oh, look at it go. That might have been the sweep we needed. That might have been the sweep we needed for us to now rip higher. I don't know. I don't know, chat. That might be what we needed. Ooh. Or is this just going to stair step down? Man, that was such a stupid trade. Oh. At least I didn't panic out. At least I mean, I'm not sure if that's a good thing or not, but I guess it worked out this time. I would be so mad. I would be so mad right now if I stopped out down here at the 940s. Oh my goodness, I would have lost my mind. Look at this rip. Oh, chat, we could have passed these. We could have passed these if we would have. Ah! All I needed to do is just. Oh, that was hard to. That was rough. It's hard to do that when you're in drawdown of $1,000. So. Whoo! Feel like I need a smoke. And I don't smoke. Man, this looks like it is going to rip now. Man, if I just add 2 more down here, we would be so good. Here's what I'm going to look for, chat. I'm going to tell you right now. If we come down and we just wick this candle and we trap the shorts and we go back up, I am going to look for longs. This is starting to look like this is the trap. The trap has been laid and we are looking to go higher now. At least it feels like this thing wants to rip now. I am looking for longs. But I just need some kind of retracement here. Oh, I can't believe that. You know how good it would feel just to pass these stupid accounts? Ugh. And now we're just going straight up, no pullback whatsoever. Go figure. Go figure, man. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, it just never fails. Never fails. This is what this market is so triggering. All right, I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. I want to sweep down below the 20s. I want to sweep down below the 10s. And then I'm looking for a long. And if this thing dumps and makes new lows, well, let's just say we are going to be cooked. Come on, market. This is going to annoy me if this market now just goes straight up. Please don't make me chase this. Oh my. What an absolute V-shaped reversal. Over 100 points, just straight up. Yep, the flying V. Hey, John. So was AFK all morning. Did you figure out what happened with your trade copier last night? I did not, John. I am still a little bit confused what happened. I think I must have had some ghost orders sitting at a certain level that when my stop got filled, I guess that got hit as well. Yeah, weird. Very weird. All right, we got to pay attention here. This is the time right here. Come on, I want to sweep the 10s. Do it. No, don't. Ay, ay, ay. Man, this is where I man. Let's see if we get the trap for the shorts. If we do, we might not. Maybe this is just another leg lower. I've traded so many of these setups, like taking shorts right here. I just don't feel comfortable taking shorts here. but this is looking like, I don't know, maybe this is a good short. I just don't trust it. I'm going to look for a bounce here off this 25,000 sweep. Oh, do I take it or not? I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Mm. Oh, no. Come on, market. Come on, market. Don't do this. Of course, the one time I look for the reversal, it doesn't happen. Mm. Rip it! Come on, go! I might need to just bail. I might need to bail here. I'm not willing. I am not willing. I am not willing. Rivet! Go! Come on, market. You can do it! Let's go! Oh, why do I do this to myself? Actually, that was stress-free trade. No worries, chat. I thought you were not in a hurry to pass these evals. Well, there's this thing called changing your mind. It's a beautiful thing. Oh, this is a... I'm going to stay out of this. I need to stay out of this trade. I think I need a 10-minute breather. I need a 15-minute cool down. Just need a 15-minute cool down. I can feel myself just on the edge. Things could get very ugly. But we have drawn the line in the sand, chat. It's official. It is official. We are either going to pass these accounts today or we're going to blow them. That's just how we've... That's just where we're at. That's just where we're at. See, the thing is, if I end the day right now, tomorrow morning I start the day and I only have $2,000 draw or $1,000 drawdown. So if I end the day today, tomorrow I'll have $1,000 drawdown and I'll need to still make $1,800 in profit. Right now, I need to make $1,800 in profit, and I have about $3,300 in drawdown. Don't worry, chat. We were totally right on that trade setup. I took a decent profit. I think we took like a $300 profit, so I'm not going to be too upset, but I definitely could have. I feel like I hold my trades way better if I don't go into drawdown first. If I go into drawdown on a trade, it's way harder to hold your trade once you're in green. All right, market. Yeah, this thing gonna rip. I think this is the start of a bullish move higher. I think we start rolling. I think we're gonna keep going higher the rest of the day, but we shall wait and see. I know it is, RX. All that drawdown is what's so tempting. It's so hard to walk away, especially with these end of day drawdown accounts. I just feel like, I mean, it's part of also probably a little bit of the trap, because you know how it goes. It's like, hey, I'm so close, I'm going to keep pushing. And then you keep pushing and pushing and pushing, and then you make a couple bad trades. Right now, the hardest thing is going to be, I mean, you can already tell, accepting a losing trade is very difficult when you're at this point. When you're at this point, accepting a losing trade just feels so deflating, and like you're just giving back all that hard work that you just accomplished. So it's difficult to accept a losing trade. That's where you get hurt. Right now, I think the plan is I'm going to trade one mini, and we're going to look for like $200 to $300 at a time, and just kind of keep scalping our way until we can get close to the finish line. And then usually what I will do, if we get like close to like $300 close, like once we get $200 to $300 close to passing these accounts, then I will break them into groups of like 3 and 5. I might do groups of 5 and just try to pass them like in groups of 5. And I'll just go big size, and it's like, I don't even know how to call it, but it's like a massive push just to get over the finish line. You think the Bulls take it back to the 130s, Ace Undercover? I mean, I kind of agree. End of day drawdown resets at the end of day? Right, right. You mean your max loss will limit you tomorrow? Well, okay, so what happens, Savin is, so at the end, these are end of day drawdowns. So at the beginning of every day, you start the day with $1,000 daily loss limit. Now, you still wouldn't have blown the account if you hit the daily loss limit. You'll still be good. You'll just can't trade that day. But right now, I have my daily loss limit is like $3,300. So to me, it just makes sense to push these and try to get them across the finish line now or never, is how I look at it. And this is kind of like how I trade these daily loss limit accounts. I don't know. When we were first being taught to trade, they just wanted you to scratch trades, then winners would come. We would always go back to that when having a rough streak. Oh, really, John? That's interesting. They just wanted you to scratch trades, and then winners would come. I see. That's actually interesting. I mean, the other thing we could do is, and I've done this in the past. Did my market just freeze? Uh-oh. I think we're frozen, chat. Testing. Am I live? Yeah. Hang on. I got to disconnect and reconnect here. All right. Now we're back. Not sure what was going on there. More worried about how much we would lose than make. I mean, that's actually a very valid concept. Very valid. Like, focus on taking losers before you focus on taking winners. Man, that's pretty good. Okay, we are trying to get back above the 25040s. Oh, I had the setup. I did. I had the setup here. I panicked a little bit. Feel like all I need to do is just allow this trade to work a little bit more. But that's difficult to do when you're down $300-400 on a trade and then it goes back in your favor. It just makes you want to get out of it. Are you going back to the BDH anytime soon? I'm not sure that I'm going to make it this year, to be honest. I got so much stuff going on. It sounds crazy, but I literally just did not have. I had a couple weekends where I could have maybe gone, but it was just difficult to make it work. Was much easier to scratch back then, though. Markets didn't move crazy like they do today. Yeah, it's true, John. Ain't that the truth? Remember the days, chat. I remember. I don't know if you guys remember, but see, I remember when NQ was we need more data. Like, I remember when NQ would barely move 40 points per session. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, this was back in like this day where the market would just, I mean, it would move, but it was pretty, like, there were days where the market just really wouldn't move much. And those days seem to be over. Man, the daily chart here is looking interesting. Man, I trade and have a small business. Can you shout out for me? Hey, the cornhole stop. Let's go. Love to see it, cornhole stop. I know a lot of people do that. They have a small business and then they trade kind of on the side. I mean, I always recommend don't trade as your only source of income. It's not easy. I know there's some of you that do it, which kudos to you. But if you trade as your only source of income, you better have pretty deep pockets because I think it makes it a lot harder to trade when you have to make X amount of money. Like, if you have to make this amount of money just to pay the bills this week, that is not a good place to be. I remember when the Dow Jones was under 3,000. Oh, that's crazy. Cornhole stop. Hey, no problem, man. Good luck. Good luck. All right. What's the plan here, market? What is the plan? I don't really want to go long here, though. I really don't. So this is kind of a no trade area right here. Ooh. You got a girlfriend and a wife on the side. Can I get a shout out? You are terrible. Jack Boom, you need to get things in order. Hey, M. Brown, no congratulations. I will not accept any kind of congratulations until we actually pass these accounts. Okay? Until then, it's premature because we all know how this could end. We all know. Nobody's saying it, but we all know this could end very, very bad. But I'm going to have positive thoughts. I believe we're going to pass these accounts. We're going to do it, chat. I believe. We're going to pass these accounts just to blow them in 2 days next week. It'll be great, chat. It'll be great. Congrats on the green evals. Stop saying congrats, guys. You're jinxing me, chat. Don't do it. The job is not finished. That's right. We're going to get some opportunities here. I'm not going to be aggressive, though. I might. Actually, you know what? Right now is not a terrible time to go eat some lunch. I'm actually contemplating that. Maybe I should. Yeah, now we just might be back in a choppy area here. Just don't really want to trade this. In need really bad news. Sell, sell, sell. I'm short down. Oh no, and wait, and T, you're down over 100K. Please tell me that's not real money. Yay, yay. Waiting for waiting for a pissed off Trump tweet. Well, they did. I mean, they did halt. They said that the Strait of Hormuz has been halted by Iran after Iranians accuse Israel of breaking the ceasefire. That's what this news right here was about. So, I mean, it seems like that's pretty bad news, but the market absorbed that news and was like, no big deal. Man, it's starting to look like it might roll back over. We could not get back above the 40s. Hey, what platform do I use? I use Ninja Trader. This is Ninja Trader platform. I am just not going to touch this. We need chat. We need to wait for a great setup that I feel very good about, and then we go in and we don't hesitate. That's the key. It's going to be the key to passing these 50Ks. What happens if I broke the 30% MAE rule on Apex? Can I still get a payout? Very likely not on this round. It is still possible to get a payout, yes. But you basically got to look at the email that you receive and follow basically what it says. But only on the legacy accounts, though. Right now, legacy. I'm excited to try out these new accounts. These new accounts are getting approved in lightning fast. I'm seeing approvals happen in minutes, 5 minutes or less, which is awesome. I want to request $2,000 per account times 20. I want to request $40,000 and get it approved in 2 minutes. Oh, it's going to be epic. Do I have a video on how to set up all your accounts? I don't, Bora Trade. Maybe I should, but I don't. The account dashboard, this that you see right here, this is set up using an add-on to Ninja Trader, which is Affordable Indicators, and it's called the account dashboard. The max is $1,500 though. Oh, you're right. Never mind. I'm fine with that. Then $1,500 per account. 30,000. I'll gladly take 30,000. You better believe it, I will. My legacy account has been in account investigation for months after multiple ignored tickets. They just don't want to assist us reply. Oh, really? Counterintuitive? Interesting. I mean, I'm not going to lie. The legacy accounts, I've seen some pretty terrible customer service. It definitely feels like I don't know. I wish they would look at things a little bit more seriously, but you can definitely tell they want people trading on the new accounts. It is what it is. Okay, are we going to break up through the 40s here? Are we going to break through the 40s? Man, it looks like we want to go, but do a video when you can. I love your setup. Hey, okay, Bora Trades. I actually should. I should. Not sure the original email said I'd be reached out to, which never happened. Yeah, I would give it a little bit of time and then just send a friendly reminder asking for an update. The more aggressive you are, the worse it is, I've noticed. So I would just kindly ask for updates, give them time, and the 10 contracts with the 50K Apex accounts. Oh man, I never trade with 10 unless I'm trying to pass evals, maybe. But I would never trade 10 minis on a funded account. All right, we are trying to get above the 40s here. Let's see if we can do it. Yep, there it is. 40s have been breached. There she goes. There she goes. Man, I really don't know what I'm looking for. I really don't have a good... I don't want to go short, and I don't want to chase these longs. I really just don't have anything to trade here. I actually think I'm going to go take lunch. I think I'm going to go eat lunch. We will kind of just refresh ourselves, so to speak, reset our minds, come back in the afternoon session with a fresh perspective. We have one goal and one goal only. We need to make $1,800 before we lose $3,300. That is all we got to do. We got to make $1,800 before we lose $3,300. I don't care how we do it. I don't care if it's ugly. I don't care if it's the worst trading you have ever seen on the history of YouTube. I do not care how I do it. I just want it done. Somehow, some way, we got to do it. So I think I'm gonna go take a lunch break, because I just don't like... I'm not gonna chase longs. I'm not gonna go short. Let's see how this market plays out over the next hour. And if we just continue to grind higher, then we look for longs. But right now, I think that's what I'm going to do. I think that's the smart thing to do. I will be back. I'm actually going to end stream, and I will be starting up stream again around 1:30, maybe 1 o'clock, but just, keep hit. Also, if you don't mind, before you leave, hit the like button. That'd be awesome. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. That would be even better. But we'll be back. We will definitely be back in the afternoon, chat. It should be a epic way. It should be epic. One way or the other, it's going to be an epic ending to the day. Let's just please hope it's for the good. I might actually need to lock out of my Lucid and my Tradeify accounts, just kind of to protect those accounts in case things kind of go downhill. Might have to do that. Wow, look at this. Market really is ripping here. All right, chat. I'll be back. I'll be back in about an hour and a half, 2 hours.